Tired of being camera shy, but still dreaming of becoming an influencer? What if you could create your own digital persona in just a few clicks? Let's dive in. Meet Aitoolbox AI, the ultimate AI influencer generator that brings your virtual identity to life. From ultra-realistic portraits to animated videos, talking avatars, and even face swaps, it's all possible instantly. You can design avatars with custom age, gender, hairstyle, eye color, or go wild with anime styles and professional LinkedIn headshots. Want your avatar to speak? Just type or record a script and watch it lip sync perfectly in multiple languages. Perfect for faceless content creators, marketers, and anyone who wants to build a brand without showing their real face. Click the link in the description and start creating your AI influencer today. All right, on your screen right now, this is the homepage interface of Aitoolbox AI. And to create an account, simply click on the Create for Free button. Okay, now this is the main interface. But to actually register, you'll need to take one more step. Click on the Login button at the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see 3 options to create an account: using your email address, using a Google account, using a Discord account. For convenience, I'll choose the Google account option. All right, I've registered successfully. And as you can see, after creating an account, the software gives us 80 credits per day. Every single day, the system resets and gives you another 80 credits to use. If you want to use more, you can upgrade your account. Okay, back to the main interface. You can see on the left-hand menu, it's extremely simple. There aren't many functions here. The main one is Create Portrait Model. Why? Because this software specializes in creating AI influencers, so all the features are focused on generating images or videos related to influencers. That's why the interface is so minimal. In the center of the screen, you can see some ready-made models created by other users. These are AI influencers that others have made and published here. And below, you'll see content, videos or images generated from those models. So the workflow is, first, you create a model. Then you create content, either videos or images, using that model. Here's basically a library of all the videos and images that other users have produced. You can click to view any model they've made. For example, here's one model. If you like it, you can use it directly by clicking Try this model. However, some models have this option hidden because the creator set them to private. For public models, you'll see the Try this model button. For private ones, like this example here, you can't use them. All right, let's go back to the main screen. To start creating your own AI influencer model, click on Create Portrait Model. On the right, you'll have 2 options. Upload your own model's photo. If you don't have a photo, let the AI generate one for you based on your preferences. Let's try the AI generation option. Here you can choose gender of your influencer, age range, country, eye color, hairstyle and hair color, face shape. Once you've selected everything, click Create. This will cost 10 credits. But since I already have a model, I'll use the Upload Image option. I'll upload my model photo. Click Save. Here, you can name your model, add a short description, and choose if it's public or private. If you set it to private, you'll need a paid plan. Free accounts must keep models public. All right, model created successfully. Now, with this model, you can make various types of content. For videos, there are many options. Storyboard-style videos, a talking video where your model speaks a script, lip-sync videos, converting images to video, text to video, adding subtitles, face swap, camera angle changes. For images, there are also many choices. Generate from a text prompt, choosing background, clothing, weather. Complete sets with predefined settings. Expert mode, where you type your own prompt. Chat to edit, modify existing images. change faces, edit image resolution, remove background, change clothing. Today, I'll review only the image creation features. Video generation is good, but still not very realistic. Most AI influencers online mainly post images, not videos. Also, videos cost a lot of credits. For example, 24 credits per second. With only 80 free credits a day, you can barely make one short video per day. So, if you want to focus on video, you'll likely need a paid plan. All right, let's start with build your own. Choose art style. I'll pick realistic. Choose background, architecture or landscape. I'll pick beach. Age group. I'll select middle-aged. Clothing, optional. Weather, I'll pick sunset. Then choose number of images. I'll select 1. Aspect ratio, 16:9. Quality, high. 10 credits for 4 images. Best, 20 credits for 4, or ultra, 24 credits for 1 image. I'll choose ultra for maximum quality. Click generate. Here's the image. Looks pretty realistic. The software randomly dressed my model with a shirt and backpack. Next, complete set. Choose a preset style. I'll pick cowboy. Switch quality to high to save credits. Click generate. Now we have 4 images. You can compare. Ultra has higher quality, but high still looks good. Next, expert mode. Enter your own prompt. Select high quality, 16:9 ratio. Generate. And here are 4 images based on my custom prompt, all with the same consistent face as my model. Next, chat to edit. Pick an existing image. Enter changes you want. For example, add sunglasses. And generate. Costs 40 credits, so I'll skip this demo. Then, face swap. Upload a photo of someone famous, like Taylor Swift. Click generate. The software swaps your model's face into that photo. Looks surprisingly good. Finally, edit image. You can enlarge, remove background, enhance resolution, or change clothes. For example, upload a red dress photo, and the model's outfit changes. This costs 20 credits, but my free credits are used up for today. Remember, free accounts get 80 credits per day. Paid plans give more. Micro, $14 per month, 5,000 credits. Macro, $28 a month, 35,000 credits. Mega, $60 per month, 80,000 credits. Pay yearly and get 50% off. That's it for today. Want to become a faceless influencer without ever stepping in front of a camera? APOB AI has everything you need. Click the link below to try it now. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more awesome AI tools. See you in the next video.